Essential Maths Question 7 from the Free State September 2023 Paper 1 question paper, and this is part 2. We are continuing with question 7.3. Madri took out a loan of 400,000 rands at an interest rate of 10.4% per annum compounded monthly. She repaid the loan at the end of the first month and every month for 15 years. Her monthly installment is 4,396 rand, 7.3.1. Calculate the outstanding balance after 9 years. So this person is supposed to make payment to settle this loan for 15 years. So they're asking us to calculate the amount of money that she will still be owing after 9 years. So this is the outstanding balance on the loan. So the formula that I normally use for outstanding balance is equal to P into 1 plus I to the power of n minus future value annuity formula minus 1 close divided by I. So n here represents the number of payments that Madri would have made for 9 years. P represents the amount of loan, the money that she borrowed from the bank. So she borrowed 400,000 rands. 1 plus interest rate is 10.4% per annum compounded monthly. So we have 0,104 because it is 10.4% divided by 100. Divided by a compounding frequency, it is monthly. So we divide by 12 to the power of 9 years times 12 months minus, they say Madri will be making payments of 4,396 rand 83 cents each month. So we have our X as 4,396 rand 83 cents into 1 plus interest rate is 0,104 divided by 12 to the power of 9 years times 12 months minus 1 close, all divided by 0,104 divided by 12. Now this is where things get tricky, because a huge number like this, you won't be able to spot an error when you plug it into your calculator. So you need to be super careful when you put it into your calculator. Don't miss a zero. I usually open brackets when I'm subtracting something, because should anything happen, the calculator will know that I am minusing two numbers from one another. I advise you to do the same when you plug this into your calculator. You have 4,396 division 4,396 4 divided by 12. After 9 years, Madri will be owing 234,770 rands 77 cents. So this is the amount of money that she would still have to pay in order to settle the loan. So there's another method for calculating the outstanding balance where the present value annuity formula is used. 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n close to the power of I. N here represents the remaining number of payments that are left to be made. Madri was supposed to settle the loan for 15 years, right? But then they asked us to calculate how much money she will be owing after just 9 years. So 15 minus 9 is 6, right? So n here represents 6 years times 12 months. 6 times 12 is n, negative n is equal to negative 72. So be careful when you use this formula for outstanding balance. So outstanding balance, or balance outstanding, is equal to regular payments that are made towards the loan, 4,396 rand 83 cents. 4,396 rand 83 cents into 1 minus 1 plus interest rate is 0,104 divided by 12 to the power of number of payments that are left to be made towards the loan. So it is negative 72 close, all divided by interest rate 0,104 divided by 12. When you plug this whole thing into your calculator, you should get a similar number to this one, but it will differ on the decimals. So Madri, after 9 years, will still be owing 234,770 rand 7466, which when we round it off to 2 decimal place, it will give us 75. So they are the same. No, they're not. This is 77 and this is 75. You'll get it correct even if you use this formula, because on the memorandum they allocate marks for both options. This is the amount of money that Madri will be owing after just paying the loan for 9 years. So for the remaining 6 years, Madri will still have to pay 234,770 rand 75 cents. Now the last question, 7.3.2. How much interest did she pay over the 9 years? Now remember, when someone is paying back a loan, they pay it back with interest, right? So the bank makes money off of their loan. Interest is equal to, we need to multiply Madri's monthly installments. We need to multiply Madri's monthly installments by the number of payments he will be making for 9 years, and from that we will subtract the total money that she borrowed from the bank minus the outstanding balance that she had after 9 years. So we are trying to figure out how much money went towards the interest while she was making monthly payments to settle the original money that she borrowed from the bank, which was 400,000 rand, right? Yes. So we have Madri makes payment of 4,396 rand 83 cents to settle this loan. So we have 4,396 rand 83 cents multiplied by a number of payments. So this is, she paid for 9 years, right? And each year she was making payments each month. So we have 9 times 12 close minus the original money that she borrowed from the bank, that was 400,000 rands, minus the amount of money that was left to be paid back to settle the loan. So that was 234,770 rand 75 cents. So when we plug this into a calculator, we should get, so I used brackets because I'm subtracting the value that I'm going to get here from this one. So there are two separate numbers. So be careful, because if you don't put brackets, then your calculator is going to be confused and you're going to get a wrong answer. So we have this minus 400,000 rand minus the outstanding balance. We have 234,770 rand 75 cents. So the total amount of money that went towards paying interest for 9 years is 309,628 rand 39 cents. This is the amount of money that the bank is making off of Madri's loan. Yo, that's a lot of money. So this is the bank after 10 years. So thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. I'll be doing more exam questions like this one. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.
It's easy to see when you look at me. If you look closely, Mystic don't back down. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so that you can get that A in mathematics. Leave a comment down below if you have a question. Mystic will make sure you get the answer.
Leave a like and share this video with your friends, so that we can all be good. Thank you for watching.